Hello fellow OnePlus fans, welcome back to our OnePlus product review video. Today we are diving deep into the latest offering from OnePlus, the OnePlus Pad Go. Let's get started. One of the first things you'll notice is the seriously sharp 2.4K resolution on a massive display. This means movies look magical, TV shows appear terrific, and streaming is sensational. With a pixel density of 260 pixels per inch and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, this tablet promises a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The design is sleek with a 7.5mm thin bezel, making it comfortable for all-day use, and the screen-to-body ratio a whopping 86.4%. The 11.35-inch display with the 7:5 display ratio allows you to access more content at once, enhancing your visual experience. There are also some super nice and useful features that will definitely make the OnePlus Pad Go more interesting to potential users. Eye care. A higher refresh rate of 90 Hz produces less flickering, thereby reducing dizziness and eye strain. Low blue light, a unique feature within this price range, offers a reduction of harmful low blue light on a display in order to prevent eye fatigue. DC dimming has no screen flicker, giving you more comfortable usage experience. The bedtime mode, when the user uses the tablet before going to bed, the screen provides a set of color temperature curves that match and promote the secretion of melatonin in the human body, which is helpful for a good night's sleep. And what's more impressive is that all of these features are TÜV Rheinland Full Care Display certified. For the audiophiles out there, the Dolby Atmos quad speakers promise an omni-bearing sound field. Whether you are watching movies or listening to music, the audio experience is top-notch. Under the hood, OnePlus Pad Go is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 platform paired with up to 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for all your tasks. This is the highest RAM among the pads in this price segment. Additionally, it can be expanded to 16GB with the RAM expansion feature. The OnePlus Pad Go runs on Oxygen OS 13.2, which many of you might be familiar with if you've used OnePlus devices before. In terms of storage, you get up to 256GB of internal storage. Plus, there's an option for 1TB expandable storage, which gives you the option to store up to 250,000 photos, up to 250 movies, or up to 500 hours of HD video. So basically, you'll never run out of space. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Pad Go is its long-lasting 8000 mAh battery. OnePlus claims a standby life of up to 514 days, which is more than 21 days. According to the data from OnePlus Lab, with regular daily use, you should be able to listen to music for about 40 hours, play videos for over 14 hours, and read books for about 21 hours. And when it's time to juice it up, the 33-watt SuperVOOC charger ensures you are back to 100% in relatively no time. It takes around 2 hours to charge from zero to full, making the charging time the shortest among the competition within this price range. And what's important, the power adapter is included in the box. While tablets aren't primarily known for their cameras, the OnePlus Pad Go packs an 8-megapixel front and rear camera. Both can shoot videos at 1080p, 30fps, and the rear camera even supports EIS stabilization. On the connectivity front, it supports Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2, and even comes with variants that supports LTE connection, so please keep this in mind when making a decision. OnePlus has added some nifty features like cross-screen transmission, allowing seamless integration with OnePlus phones running Oxygen 13.1 or above. There's also the dual windows and split screen mode for multitasking and the shared gallery feature for easy media transfers between the tablet and a OnePlus smartphone. All in all, the OnePlus Pad Go seems like a solid contender in the tablet market. With its impressive display, performance, impressive speakers, and unique features, it's definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, stay groovy, stay curious, and never settle. See you in the next one.